Shake up your cocktail routine. My Jameson Orange Cosmo offers a vibrant twist on a classic. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's time for cocktails, and today we're doing something rather special. We're going to be making a Jameson Orange Cosmopolitan. Now, you've heard of the Cosmopolitan, also known as the Cosmo. It was made really famous a few years ago by this little TV show called Sex and the City. For some reason, I am known for my Cosmo recipe, and this summer I discovered Jameson Orange. I went on their website to figure out what can I do with it besides shots, and I came up with this recipe. Now, this is based on their version, but I used my own little magic on it to make it my own. We're going to start with the Jameson. What is Jameson? And what is Jameson Orange? This is Jameson Orange. This is an Irish whiskey. It's very, very good, the regular kind, but then they came out with this orange flavor, and it's amazing. We need 3 ounces or 90 mils. Right in our glass. Next up is lime juice. I'm using fresh lime. Always use fresh lime. We need a 1/4 ounce or about 7 mils, and that's the juice of a half a lime. Right in our glass. Next up is Cointreau. This is what Cointreau looks like. This is an orange flavored liqueur. I like it better than some of the others, I like it better than Triple Sec because I think it has a deeper orange flavor. We just need half an ounce or 15 mils. Next up is cranberry, because what's a cosmopolitan without a little cranberry? This is the kind I use. Now notice it says 100% juice. A lot of people use cranberry cocktail, but I prefer the 100% juice. Maybe that's why mine are so popular. We just need half an ounce or 15 mils. All right, let's fill our shaker with some ice because you know what's coming up. It's the shaky shaky. I'm just gonna use my impeccably clean hands to get some ice cubes. And now, here we go. All right. I have here a nice chilled cocktail glass. I'm going to double strain this because I want a cold drink, but I don't want all those pesky little ice crystals in my Cosmo. Let's see how this looks. Very pretty. Now we need a little garnish. I'm just gonna take some orange peel and I'm going to squeeze it across the top of the drink to express some oils, just to, again, intensify that flavor. Let's give this a taste. That is really, really good. It's not as sweet as a regular Cosmo. It's complex. It's a little tart, but it's very smooth, very well-rounded. Delicious. You know, I think I need another little sip. Oh, wow. Oopsie doopsie. Oh well. Alrighty, if you like this episode, sign up for our newsletter and you'll get the recipes in your inbox. Then help us grow the channel by hitting the subscribe button, smashing that like button, and hitting the notification bell so you'll never ever miss an episode. Now I'm going to go and make a whole pitcher of these to share with my family. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time,